Welcome to Tree and Land, Montgomery County, Tennessee. Choosing a service provider to have trees trimmed, pruned, removed, or just cleaned up is a big deal. We get it. It's your property, your time, and your money at stake. We simply want you to choose wisely and ultimately choose professionalism. Because any good old boy can swing an axe, run a chainsaw, or drive a bobcat. But not everyone will choose to care for you and your property like it was their own, or their mama's. We don't claim to be the fastest, the cheapest, the smartest, or the most handsome, although we're pretty dapper. What we strive for is to be the most caring, honest, and concerned tree and land services provider that you could choose for the job anywhere in the Clarksville, Tennessee area and all the surrounding areas. And we'd love to earn your trust and serve you like our own family, whom we actually do love, by the way. Thanks for stopping by. Please call us with any questions at 931-236-3136, where you can fill out an estimate request on our website at treeandlandmct.com.